Welcome. If you want to turn off beep sound in Samsung Frame TV, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, go for the sound. And you have to go for the expert settings. Right now you have to scroll down and find sound feedback. Right now you can change this option and just simply turn it off. As you can hear right now, when we are moving through the settings, you cannot hear the sound, but if you want to get it, you can pick low, medium or high. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.